feeling like a shark in a shrimp tank. Big fish, small pond in the shrimp tank.
Welcome to the post-show wrap-up of the Boca Raton Shrimp Tank. I'm your host, Jason Hill, sitting here with my co-host, Kevin Cox, on the far side of the table. We had a great show today. We got to interview Stephen Kirstein over at Kirstein Insurance Services right here in Boca Raton. He's got a very successful practice. Take a look on Yelp. It's got almost a 5-star review, which is extremely difficult to maintain, especially in the insurance industry down here in Boca Raton with all the people complaining. Right, Kevin? So in general, you can watch the entire replay of this show at the Boca Raton Shrimp Tank podcast.com as well as on iTunes. So, Stephen, for the audience listening today, can you tell them what makes your practice so special and how did you get a Yelp review, a Facebook review, so close to perfect? Tell us a little bit about your businesses and your services.
Absolutely. We're a full-service insurance agency. We do everything from auto, home, life, health, business, you name it, we provide that product. I think the reason that we're able to maintain, really great reviews is because we are focused on the client. We represent the client, not the insurance company. So we're always going to do what's in their best interest.
Yeah. So you're on the independent side, which differs a little bit, from the standard agent that, really represents the carrier, correct?
Right. Exactly.
Okay.
Yep. I mean, we're going to have a lot of products. We're going to be able to provide a lot of different, products, not only lines of insurance like auto, home, life, health, business, but over 50 companies that we represent. So we're always going to have the product that the client needs.
Nice.
So, Stephen, tell consumers who might be watching out there, what are some things they should be thinking about as they're shopping for homeowners, auto, insurance, some of the pitfalls or some of the techniques? What do you think?
Well, I would say take that extra minute to make sure that you are involved and understand what you're getting. Because, people use terms like full coverage, just my homeowner's insurance, as opposed to looking at the specifics, your coverage limits, your deductibles. Those things are going to be important. When there's a hurricane, God forbid, and you have a 5% deductible, that can add up to a lot of money that's going to come out of your pocket. You want to know that you're comfortable with your choices and that you'll be able to deal with those consequences when God forbid, the storm comes or that claim comes around.
Well, thanks for all the advice during the show. Definitely recommend everyone checking it out at the Boca Raton Shrimp Tank podcast.com as well as on iTunes. We had a great episode. We spoke for about 50 minutes about all the different things in the insurance industry and how Stephen has really helped so many clients out in South Florida. So for the audience listening, how could they get in touch with you and your company?
Well, we're located here on 2nd Avenue, Boca Raton Boulevard, just off of Yamato Road. That's where our office location is. You can find us online, certainly on our website, kirsteininsurance.com, and all of your social media platforms. We're on those. You can find us on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, you name it, we're on it.
Nice. Well, thanks again for coming out on the tank today. We look forward to joining everyone next week at 4 p.m. on Tuesdays. Take care, everyone.